run away. Do you know this girl ran away? I had to. And when I wasn't seeing her, when I called, she would give me one excuse. I had to start going to her church. I met her in the church, gave me one excuse. My senior sister has not got married, though. I said, okay, no problem. When your senior sister got married, luckily for me, it was the one who called me. About 8 or 9 months later, my sister wants to get married. Though. I said,
Congratulations.
thank God. I say, congratulations. In my mind, I said, now, we can sister marry, we can put this matter again to her. The next thing she would tell me, nah, go and sit down, you are not a serious guy. And now I started wondering, what do you mean that I am not a serious
What
guy?
else do you want?
I was telling her what I wanted. She's now saying this now. It's not that her sister is not married now, that I'm not a serious. I now ask, do they write serious? Is there any way they write somebody's forehead? You understand? How do you know who is serious
Although who is not serious?
and who is not serious? Because me myself, I started getting confused. What does this girl mean that I'm not serious? Is there anything I do? You understand? She couldn't say to me. She just said, go sit down. You not be serious person, John. I started wondering, what do you mean? I was always asking, what do you mean that I'm not serious? What do you mean that I am not serious? I didn't know that she was not ready. She was just trying to make me feel, you understand me? I told her, I'm going to get married though, very soon. Because at that point in time, I decided to try somebody else. And I told her openly. I told her, because even that was, I tried to date somebody else. And the person was ready and willing to get married to me. But it was her because she was really the one
you wanted.
So I now felt that if I tell her that I was going to get married, that would change her mind. Never. That did not, because I just noticed that the distance between me and her kept getting longer and longer. Once in a while, you understand me? You will see her, you will not see her. I now went and got married. When I got married, I had my rings on. I saw her. Do you know that I was telling her that I'm married? She said, go and sit down. You are not a serious person. You married. You that is not serious. You understand? I even showed her my ring. She said, go and sit down. She did not believe me. One day I was at the office. She just came and said, let's go to my house. I said, to go and do what now? I said, I'm telling you that I'm married. She said, go and sit down. Yeah, no, I'm not serious. He said, okay, the only way that will convince her that I'm married is that she wants to go to my house until she sees my wedding picture. Not until she came to my house and saw the picture of me and my wife. I had to find, you understand me? That was when she realized I was married. Come on. She now turned everything against me.
You see?
That I deceived her. That I deceived her. I now told her, I was shocked. How did I deceive you?
Who is the unserious person between two of you?
Who is the unserious person between me and you? I told you. You understand? Before, in the course of explaining and trying. So for me, I noticed that she felt bad when she realized that I was now married. Because it was in the course of that I was in the course of trying to sort out things with her, because I believe that even since she was somebody I liked, I don't really believe we should part as enemies. You understand? Because you don't know where you guys will meet tomorrow. And you should be able to laugh. And if it's somebody that can render help to you, she will render help to you. You understand? So it was then she now told me that she started admitting her fault. That what really happened was that time I was telling her, not that she did not like me or she did not. It's just that she was not ready. But when she was ready now, you understand what I'm saying? It was late. So it's the same thing in a relationship between a man and a woman and a man. Sometimes you may be going out with a guy, he likes you, he does everything for you, but he's not just ready to take that next step. So it's only when some of these things happen or you experience them, you find out that they are real. It is not so. You understand?
I get you. You really
now. If I did not, you find out that now. If I did not proud to find out what happened, I wouldn't have known that at that particular time.
She was not.
She was not ready.
Yes, you've been thinking otherwise.
Yes, her mind was. She was not. It's just like this. You understand? So relationship is not easy, but you find out that most of the time, we have to be very careful. Yes. If we are not going to be serious with if we are not serious with ourselves, we just want to be friends and have fun. I think we should let ourselves know it.
Of course, it's very important.
It's very, very important. So that we don't mislead each
Each
other.
other.
We don't mislead each other. Be honest. You're just my friend. You understand me? Because I've seen a situation, if somebody is your friend and she's comfortable with you, or a guy also, a guy is your friend, he's comfortable with you or she's comfortable with you, you'll be surprised. She will allow, he or she will allow you do any other thing you
Yes.
do with anybody, any
Yes.
other person.
Yes.
But at that, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
It's just like a girl, or a guy, rather than going to go out with a prostitute. He might get all these ones they call bestie now. This street, that's the street they are using now. They call themselves bestie. You understand? In the course of the day, they are having sex and doing every other thing that probably people that are in a normal relationship are supposed to be doing. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes. Yes.
But they are not serious with each other. They go with that language. Meet my bestie. So I think that is just it. It's not easy. Relationship issue is not easy. Knowing what a boy wants or what a girl wants is not easy.
It's not easy.
The most it's not really easy. All we just pray is that let's not be victim, particularly when we are really serious. Maybe you really love a boy or a girl really loves you and so on and so forth. So what happens to the opposite sex is the same thing that happens to the other sex, whether it's a male or a female. It's not a male affair or a female affair. But most of the time, like I said, the female sex always want to take the advantage because we believe they are the weaker
side
vessel and make it look as if all these things that happen, it's more of on them. You understand me? It's a lie. It's more on the man. Okay, let's take an average man. What is the life of an average man? Let's even say you are dating a girl. As a girl, even when you are not married. Okay, let's just take the life of a family man. You pay the children's school fees, Abi?
Yes.
You pay the house rent.
Yes. Yes.
You still take care of the house upkeep. That is, you give the wife money to buy these for the house upkeep and all those things, Abi?
Yes.
If you have a car, women know how to drive car, but they don't know how to maintain it. You are taking care of the car, Abi?
That's a good point. Yes.
They don't even, some of them don't even know that they put fuel in a car.
They just want to drive. They just want to drive.
Yes. So no, just look at your normal responsibility of a man.
That's too much.
You are paying the house rent. You are paying the school fees of all the children. And this school fees is not just school fees. You are paying for uniform, books. You understand me? Maybe lesson and some other thing. House rent, you are paying for the house rent. In house rent, apart from paying for the house rent, you are paying for NEPA bill. Abi? If it is a compound, if it's a compound where there is security, you are paying for it. Abi?
Yes.
Now, you also give your wife monthly allowance, upkeep for the general family. Apart from upkeep for the general family, you will still give her small for herself, maybe to buy small makeup and clothes. Apart from, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
That is for where? For one small salary. How much is the salary? Then before you take care of your own self,
money is finished.
Wait, apart from that, remember your extended family, maybe her mother and her father, then your own mother and your own father.
Huge responsibility. Huge responsibility.
Okay, a woman in the house, what is her responsibility? Basically nothing. All the resources that you have given her, which is that upgrade, is just for her to use it
to maintain the
or manage it. At least you have provided. It is not left for her to manage it. To make sure that the house is running. Maintaining the house, that is making sure that you people are eating. But the major tax in the house, you have done it. You have paid the NEPA bill. You are the one paying the NEPA bill. Now
you are the one watching. You are the one enjoying you are paying DSTV subscription too. You are
not paying the DSTV subscription. You are the one paying the NEPA bill. You are the one paying the house rent. You understand what I'm saying? So it's not easy for a man.
At all.
At all. So you find out that it is lighter for the women, which they don't really know. So you find that when you are under all this pressure, and imagine that you now have one idiot as a wife. You understand? Some of them will do you know that, like, when I got married, I went to the extent of letting my wife know how much I earn. My pay slip, I showed her.
And many people still don't believe you. I'm telling you, no matter what.
Yes, I showed her. I said, this is my pay slip. Why did I show her? I just wanted to honestly know the truth.
So you can
because I don't want to.